Hi and welcome to another Tekken 2 plus a few, and I'm still working on my digital badge display board. And last time I showed you how to use the align and distribute tool to arrange these shapes into nice equidistant spacing. But I was in such a hurry that I did not color my shapes before I copied and arranged them. So I ended up with something that looked like this, except for these were all gray. And then I filled these using the paint bucket for the fill. So I'm going to show you a couple shortcuts for this. The first is to fill your colors and then highlight and Command D to duplicate, and then use your tools to arrange them. Or what you can do, if you made all of your copies, you can fill one row and then you can use this paint roller, which is to paint format. And it will apply the format of whatever object you've selected to any objects you then select. So this will apply font, it will apply fill color like you see here. Oops. Click the object you want to copy, and then click and drag and highlight. Click the object you want to copy, get that paint roller, click, drag, and highlight. So that's a great way to apply formatting quickly to multiple objects. It's one of those tools I forget to use often, and it's a definite time saver. So I hope that was helpful, and I will see you at the next Tekken 2 plus a few.